Today we all here are going to discuss about the Bill Gates, the United States of America, October 28, 1955. William Bill Gates is chairman of Microsoft Corporation, the worldwide leader in software, service and solutions that help people and businesses realize their full potential. On June 27, 2008, Gates transitioned out of a day-to-day role in the company to spend more time on his global health and education work at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He shared his thoughts about the foundations and other topics in Gates Notes and a website launched in January 2010. Gates continues to serve as Microsoft chairman as an advisor on key development projects. In June 2006, Craig Monday assumed the new title of Chief Research and Strategy Officer at Microsoft and is responsible for the company's research and incubation efforts. Born on October 28, 1955, Gates grew up in Seattle with his two sisters. Their father, William Henry Gates, II, is a Seattle attorney. Their late mother, Mary Gates, was a school teacher, University of Washington Regent, and chairwoman of United Way International. Gates attended public elementary school and the private Lakeside School. There he discovered his interest in software and began programming computers at age 13. In 1973, Gates entered Howard University as a freshman, where he lived down the hall from Steve Ballmer, now Microsoft Chief Executive Officer. While at Howard, Gates developed a vision of the programming language BASIC for the first microcomputer, the MIT's Altair. In his junior year, Gates left Howard to devote his energy to Microsoft, a company he had begun in 1975 with his childhood friend Paul Allen. Guided by a belief that the computer would be a valuable tool on every office desktop and in every home, they began developing software for personal computers. Gates' foresight and his vision for personal computing have been central to the success of Microsoft and the software industry. In addition to his love of computer and software, Gates founded Corbis, which is developing one of the world's largest resources of visual informations, a comprehensive digital archive of art and photography from public and private collections around the globe. He has a member